Yeah, I think the first time it was a bit of a shock. Then having to actually handle and do things with and for the body. So that stayed with me. In fact, the very first one that I did, I can still remember now. It's clear as a bell. But nowadays, I find it fairly easy to treat them as a normal person, as a living human being. And for me, that sort of like normalises the situation. I'm treating them as though they're still alive, or they can hear me and understand what I'm doing. But nowadays, emotionally, I can switch off quite easily now. But as over time, you're able to adapt and overcome that, um, and then it's almost like I've closed the door, and then I can go home. Sometimes my family might ask me what I've been up to, and I think it always helps to be able to talk. And then it's yeah, I've shut that door, and now it's back to normal, and let's go get dinner or something.